I don't think I've ever saved anything in my life. I just think I went and upskilled and then earned more. And
Yeah.
then I had more money than I sort of needed. And so then it was easier for me to save, you know. So there's that too, isn't there? And then of course I got onto the property ladder and all the mistakes that Megan and I have shared about our, mistakes along our journey over the years, but also the good decisions that I've made and how they've helped. But you got
Mm.
to start somewhere, don't you? And so I look back to when I was a non-saver. I'm not sure I could have become a saver when I don't think I earned enough. How do you
You know
deal with
what?
that?
I'm actually really glad you brought that up because it is a big problem that we see as well is that people get too focused on just saving as opposed to expanding their skill sets. The easiest way to save more money is to earn more.
Mm.
The easiest way. And so the best
not increase the
investment
spending. You can't do both
Yes.
at the same time.
that's exactly. I think that's right. You know, the thing that we see is that you can earn more, but if you don't have a good financial defense, you just leak. You leak money. And what people tend to do is they will tell themselves that story like, "Oh, I'm just not a saver." And that's actually not true. It's very possible for you to learn how to save, and it's actually very possible for you to enjoy it, believe it or not. It doesn't have to be something that constricts your life. It actually can be something that expands your life if you do it the right way. And that's kind of, I guess that's our whole thesis. If you want to make something sustainable, you've got to make it enjoyable. And that means it has to link with who you are and it has to align with what you really care about.